You get a little too much heat right there.
A little too much.
A little too much.
Sad's character.
Yeah. You want it to be unique.
Yep.
All right, guys, we're going to show you the lowest priced, cheapest turbo kit known to man on the market to buy. Let's check it out. This is cheap as they come. No, not the car, but John, what did you do to make this the cheapest turbo kit known to man on the market?
All right, quick backstory. So this is the Silver kit on here. I run a Silver turbo on my Can-Am as well. Loved it. Worked with Justin in the past. It works fantastic. So I took a gamble on this kit. It cost me $4,250 complete, turnkey, ready to go. That's the tune. There's 2 tunes in the can. I'm only running it on low boost. We're just going to be at 7 pounds, and it moves pretty good. But I think from the people playing the horsepower and cost game right now, there's just nothing that's going to beat it.
This is the best. I mean, you can't get that cheap
buck
on a turbo kit. So he's going to add a little bit more power, but he's going to wake the car up.
Yeah, it actually is extremely drivable. It's crazy flexible. You don't have to just be stuck being a dune machine all the time. You can take it wherever you want to go, and you never have to.
Are you saying mine's not just a dune machine? I am not just a dune machine.
You are.
I am insulted.
Machine. You are a dune machine. And notice the car though. Seems like the car is more of like a garage machine.
Shut up. That was a timing chain issue. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it really went.
That's pretty rare.
It went from midnight to 0 pretty quick.
Yeah, that was a bummer deal.
Yeah. So anyway, that's this kit. It has its limitations, so I'll go ahead and spit them out right now. Like, it could use more airflow. I think that the design on this being forward could use bigger, better airflow.
Obviously, everything could be fine-tuned. I don't think we need to crap on it, because at the end of the day,
I'm not crapping on it.
No, I know, but I'm just saying it's $4,500.
Yeah. So like, there's a few things that I'm going to do to kind of tweak it a little bit and give it a little bit more.
Are you gonna put a Pro AFI ECU on there?
You never know.
You never know.
We're gonna run today. I'm gonna check out Brent's car and ride in it, drive it, see how that goes.
You should ride in the car I'm driving.
I don't know. That terrifies me.
Why?
I don't know. I don't want to go walk it on 2 wheels around.
That was scary.
That's what I'll do. Like, you step on it, right?
You do. I mean.
So yeah, I mean, it's just a couple little tweaks that are actually the what people will talk about this kit. If there's things that they're like, I don't know about it. The intercooler is smaller. That's actually not a difficult thing to overcome. Yeah. So you can do a different intercooler. And then just kind of the positioning doesn't give you enough to do like a large air filter. Okay. So I'm looking at maybe a kind of just calling K&N and getting a little bit more, but I can't fit an 8-inch filter in there.
Yeah, that one's a little bit.
That's pretty small.
You can't put I mean, ours is in the same spot.
No, you're back here.
But yeah, we're farther this way to get the bigger one in there.
Exactly.
And then you got to use some hostile wheels.
Yep, I had a friend help me out with those.
Nice.
Yeah.
Those look good.
They do.
I think you have MTS on there, don't you?
Yeah, I got that too.
Interesting.
Yeah.
John's a smart guy. You know,
right.
He gets hostile, he gets Packard or STU.
Yep.
And he gets MTS.
That's right.
We just need to get that ECU on there to liven the girl up. Because we saw, I mean, to me the biggest wake up call was when I came out here last year. We had 2 identical Boondocker kits run, and they were even. And then we put an ECU on them from Pro A5, woke the car up.
Yeah.
Most important accessory is the pliers.
I do have a fire extinguisher.
No, just kidding.
He does have this,
It makes me
because
go faster.
I haven't ran into this issue with this model here ever, but I've noticed some other ones out there in the market have had that issue.
I might as well just keep one around just in case I run into anybody who might be roasting marshmallows.
We like to run things a little hot, so you never know.
Yeah, that's right.
We may put it to use.
So yeah, we'll run it. We'll just kind of have a good time. It's a crazy playful kit. That's what I'm
just
gonna
give
call
you a
it.
little bit, and it didn't cost you a lot of it.
It was night and day over stock. When I bought this thing, I'm like, it is a dog. Like, just a dog. Felt like a tank, and I just wanted more out of it, and that just popped it right open.
Yeah, just woke her up a little bit.
Yep.
And not for very much money, so that's good.
Nope, and it's just
running. Is this a TNT hood scoop?
You like that?
Man, you're a smart guy. Well, awesome. Let's go check this thing out.
I'm ready.
bail down there, I just will, and I'll run it and let it cool off.
The only problem is a lot of people that run the highway, they run it this way.
Yeah, yeah.
Not always.
On this side, but it's
Way up.
well, it's kind of.
I don't call it a highway. On the spot, John is actually now in his Can-Am.
I am.
But he just ran his Pro R against Brent's Pro R. Both of them just have kind of a...
We'll go big differences here.
The big difference.
Big difference. So
Brent, Pro
Brent's
85.
is, yeah. I think the Pro 85, the clutching, everything's way more dialed in on that. Mine's still just a guess, right?
Yeah.
So I ran that hill in his at like 8,300, 8,400 RPM. Mine's at like 79. So I
That's
can
not
feel
good.
I can feel it like I got too much weight in the clutch.
Yeah.
Right? The holding, that was really what I noticed the most, is when you get up into the steep stuff, it just holds it.
Yeah.
And it keeps pulling on the hill. Mine, I felt fine, like off the get, it goes fine. And then it just feels like I'm getting restricted, and it feels like clutching.
Just kind of falls. But yeah, part of that's probably clutching.
Yeah.
Were you
But
able to climb the hill pretty easy?
Yeah, it was fine. I mean, you know, first time up, I ran it twice. It goes up the hill fine, but it's not like
not
it ain't gonna win anything.
Yeah.
No, so I mean.
But you're 4,500 in. You weren't here to win anything.
4,500 in. I'm running pump gas.
Yeah.
I got nothing else.
Oh yeah, you're
going
on
with
pump
it.
gas.
I'm on
so
pump gas. I mean, like there's a lot, and I know that now it kind of gives me a better idea of what I got to look for and how to just tweak it, give it little things and little things. And what's
well, I think just a little bit of clutching, and honestly, an ECU would.
That's all it's really need.
And then you would have it'd actually probably be pretty dang quick.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I mean, again, it moves great off the get, but then it's like, I think I'm maxing out its airflow.
Okay.
That's what it feels like. I feel restricted.
You don't have a big enough filter.
Well, you do have a
filter. I have a smaller intercooler.
You do have a smaller intercooler, so that's kind of a given. You are being restricted.
That's it. Yeah.
But overall, you're liking the Sibbler
it keeps
kit?
up. I mean, like if we're running, I never feel I'm like, you know, I'll be right there with everybody. That doesn't ever feel like a problem. It doesn't feel like if I get on a hill, I'm gonna run out of guts.
Yeah.
It'll just go.
Yeah.
So all of that's great. But it's taking some dialing in. I mean, I threw the whole thing together.
Yeah.
So I have 4-hour install for me to put it together, and it's missing some shit. So
We'll get her dialed.
I'm gonna just see what this is doing. I just put it to the 100 tune, and I haven't driven it really since I changed the front end.
Okay. You put a fancy front end on this. Much better. This is what happens when the coupler's not in there and the bolts back out. You get a little too much heat right there.
A little too much.
A little too much.
Sad's character.
Yeah. You want it to be unique.
Yep.
Let's pull that bottom piece off.
Don't do that.
Yeah.
Too light.
I know, it's my license plate.
It does not want to let go. It's all melted together. Big shout out to Brandon. Got a lot of great shots here that are actually nice and crisp. He's got an Instagram, follow it, Wild Wonderful Country. Check it out.